How to make money with Twitch. First, you need to build an audience. Pick something you enjoy streaming, whether it's gaming, chatting, or creative content, and stay consistent. The more you stream, the more chances people have to find you. Next, become a Twitch affiliate or partner. This unlocks ways to earn like subscriptions, bits, and ads. Subscriptions are one of the main income sources. Viewers pay monthly to support you and get perks like emotes or ad-free viewing. Bits are another way viewers can support you by cheering during your stream. You can also make money through ads, but these usually pay less unless you have a large audience. Don't forget about sponsorships and donations. As you grow, brands may pay you to promote their products, and viewers can donate directly. Finally, diversify your income. Use platforms like YouTube, sell merch, or offer exclusive content on other platforms. Stay consistent, engage with your audience, and focus on providing value. That's how you start making money on Twitch.